Hi, I'm Josh and I'm a service engineer at Natgraph. I'm going to talk you through the high power stacker. Here is the HMI touchscreen control panel for the Natgraph stacker. To start the stacker, press the green icon Run. From the same menu, you can also control the speed of the conveyor belt. The minimum speed of the conveyor belt is 3 meters per minute and the maximum speed of this stacker is 65 meters per minute. Here's a demonstration. As you can see here, the belt speed starts out at 3 meters per minute and slowly increases until it reaches the peak speed of 65 meters per minute. Now you can see the speed of the belt slowing down as we slowly bring the belt to a stop. So we have under the stacker table some side adjusters. Once we have undone them, we can move the stacker table to fit the dry belt. This is the Natgraph sheet sensor. As a sheet passes over the conveyor belt, it activates the joggers, as you can see here. The joggers move in and out to control the sheet to create a neat stack on the pallet. This controls how fast the joggers react after the sheet has gone over the sheet sensor. This controls which way we have the joggers. They can be set normally open or normally closed. We are now demonstrating setting up the pallet so that it is ready to receive and stack the sheets. Firstly, the pallet is loaded onto the bed. Next, the joggers and backstop are moved into position to ensure the sheets stack neatly. We'll show you more projects in the future videos, so be sure to subscribe and click the bell to make sure you don't miss out. Now we are going to run the stacker and put sheets through to see how it works. Firstly, the sheet goes over the sheet sensor. This activates the joggers, stacking the sheets into a nice pile. When the stack gets to a specific height, the pallet will be lowered to accommodate the height of the stack. You can see this happening here. To find out more about how we can transform your process, click the link in the description below and be sure to check out our website. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and we'll get back to you.